Alright guys, thanks for checking in with Weekly Wi-Fi. Sorry for the delay, had some things going on with flooding and other things, but I'm glad you tuned in. Check out the HomeKit for the Sylvania LED light strip and let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, thanks. Alright guys, let's dig in on this and see what we've got for the Sylvania LED strip light and extension kit that ties into the HomeKit. Alright, two items here. Okay, so that one, and then the connector. Maybe show the finished product installed in the room, but right now we'll focus on the more fun aspect of this. So I'll leave this off to the side. Alright, so let's see here. Looks like that might have been cut beforehand, but there are seals there. Okay, so as you can see, it's meant to tie into the HomeKit. It's got LEDs there. Get that out. Set that to the side. Little booklets there, and then I wonder if I might actually have the return unit, but we'll see. All right, so that's the side. Okay, and then this is the smart module that goes into the unit, and then the transformer power unit. Get that set to the side here. Set it here. Okay. Let's go ahead and see how simple this can be to hook up. Looks like these are daisy chained together. We'll just leave them kind of coiled up now. Flexible, should be sealed too, but I believe it's still interior grade on that. But I'll leave these. I can actually untie it. Should be fairly easy to get that undone, I hope. There we go. Okay. Alright, so looks like we need to have the one that's on the inside of the coil hooked in. Hopefully, we'll see how it goes on attachment. Looks like it goes that way. There's the scan for adding into HomeKit, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it should be fairly easy. Get plugged in, get the phone out, get the HomeKit ready. So I've got a outside home cam kind of set up, but we'll do add accessory and then use the code. Okay. Plug it in. Flex C. Connecting. Might take a few seconds here to go through, depending on how it registers in. Alright, looks like we're good to go from that side. Alright, indicator that it's in. Let's go ahead and we'll name this. Back that up. Call this a game room. Done. Including favorites. Done. Back to home here. So now we've got the light. And then it's off. So you'll just click it on and off like that. Control. Turn off game room light. Okay, we'll see how it does. Hopefully it'll find this. If not, might...
The game room is not responding.
All right, we'll see what happens. Oh, did it anyway. Turn on game room light. May depend a little bit on the speed of the network that we've got. We've got quite a few.
The game room is not responding.
All right, looks like it works, but might be a little bit of an issue inside HomeKit, but functionality is still there, so that's good. And then if you go back to the app, it looks like it's there, but without Siri operation, unless it's the naming convention that I've got, looks like it's fairly quick through HomeKit. Or not. We'll see. We've got quite a few things that are in here, so it might be a capacity issue on our network. So I may have to look at that and report back as to what's going on. But functionality is definitely there. We can check out the colors on this thing as well. So let me go back, see if there's other rooms. Great room. Default room. Ah, that's why. Default room, so we'll have to set that up. There may be some things going on with that. I'll have to set that up into game room. Alright, well, we'll figure that out. Could be a naming convention, and I'll report back in. But anyway, you can see runs fairly quick from that side. More or less just some connection issues, but and then it finally got back the functionality. Plus, what I've seen with HomeKit items that you run through, it may take a little bit to first register, get up on the network to where they function, and getting kind of loaded in on the cloud-based setup that's there. So it might be something related to that, because now it's fairly quick, as you can see. So it may just be that we did not have a device like this registered. So that's good information to know. Previously we just had cams, so this will be the nice thing. So I'll see if I can go in and edit this. Default room, change this to game room. Game room. Done. So that's game room. I'll try Siri here. Turn on game room light.
The game room is not responding.
All right, we'll have to figure that out, so I'll report back. It's not responding, but it works. Okay, so we'll see. Again, it may just be a connection thing that runs in. So hopefully that was good. We'll show you some shots of the install. Hopefully the connection time on network, and I'll report back as to what could be going on with that. But very easy to add in to the setup from that side. So very, very good. And functional. But all right, thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll report back with some functionality. Thanks. Bye. All right, everyone, hopefully you enjoyed the Sylvania Smart Plus LED light strip HomeKit demo. I'm going to have a little bit more on that coming up later. Some of the integration, maybe some of the HomeKit little quirks. Also going to have some information coming up on Rad Power, Rad Rover bike, as well as some more in-depth on the strength of the Plexi Drone X8 arms. All right, we'll talk to you later. Take care.